Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Scratch, and Andrew is a cat, cool stuff kid.
So today, my project is named Super Scratch Drawer, and the Scratch Cat right here is a sprite. It's going to draw something in this background, okay?
If the sprite name is Scratchy.
Because I need. Okay, so first,
When
the green flag click, that means right here when you run it, it says go to X minus 150 and 30. So it's right here. And then it'll erase all you drew. Set pen color to red, set pen size to 10, and pen down. So when it's pen down, it will start drawing if you command it to. So it says forever, go to X0 125 and there's the weight, so you can see where it is and how it draws. Because if there's no weight blocks, then it'll be super fast.
Yeah, you can't see where it's going.
Yeah, so it will forever draw a shape, and then when click forever next costume. So costumes are right here, and the costumes here. The Scratch Cat will run. Yeah, so it's like running and drawing at the same time. So when the green flag clicked, it will forever change pen color by 1, so the pen color will keep changing color.
So even if you go to the next round, that spot will be a different color.
Yeah, let's run it. Now it's drawing a shape. See, now it's changing colors, and this costume is running.
Yeah. So for my evidence, you can add. So forever next costume, it's so fast I can't see it. So you should put a weight block.
Okay.
It's control. But wait 1 second is too much. So wait 0.5.
How 0.1? Okay, that's right. Now you can still see it.
Yeah, but it's going very fast. It's hard to see.
Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.